Hello, my name is David Buchanan. I'm responsible for the field of vision systems in the company Vision and Control. So in this video, I would like to introduce you the software vcwin, which can be used for our camera systems, so smart camera Pictor or multi-camera system vcwin. I just have the software installed right here on my laptop. On my desk is also vcwin 5400. Both are connected via network cable. So if you start the software, you can see something like this. So in the middle, there is some program sequence that is active in your editor. And you are disconnected with your system. So the first thing you can do is here hitting the refresh button. So all devices that can be found by your laptop are now enumerated, and if everything is successful, you will see here a dash in the net. So that is a sign that you really can connect the device. If that cannot happen, then it is very likely that there is some problem with your network connection. So probably the IPs of your laptop or your device is not fitting together. So for that, we made another video for the network setup. If you don't have any device available, it's also possible to use the simulator. For this, we also made a special video. But in our case, we can select this vcwin and connect now by pushing the connect button. So first it pops up a small info dialog about the system. You can get the basic information also by hitting help and info about vcwin. There you can also see some information about, for example, the version or names of your actual device. So now we are connected with the system and we can use the software efficiently. We can see here at first this video control panel, which is very important for setup. So we can see we are here in memory image mode. So the image we can see here on the monitor window and also on the attached monitor is the image that is stored in the first image page of the system. So the system itself has some data storage for like 24 image pages. And if you want to update it, you have to hit this grab image button or execute a grab image command. And then you see it will take an image from the camera and put it in the selected memory image page. So if you want to get a live image, you will see you can click here, and then the monitor window will toggle to full screen. So in this setup, we can adjust our image scene better and adjust focus or aperture and so on. So if you finish this step, we can exit the live image by pushing this exit button and continue here to explain a little bit the other dialogues. Here we can see labels that shows all the labels that are used in the program. That's sometimes helpful to navigate in complex programs. We can see here the project that is can be used, but I would not recommend it for very simple tasks. If you have only a single vcwin program, you can save it and load it as expected in Windows programs with here file, save as, open, and so on. If you have complex projects, you can use this open project, save project section, and then you're able to store some images and probably also multiple vcwin programs in one project. You can open them together. However, we have also other dialogues. Here we can see the actual status of our variables that are set active. So we can see here now that, for example, in the memory storage for results, we can see a result with the number 0. which was executed as good and contains a value of 2 at the moment. So, and if we step through our program, so we execute command by command, we can do this with F7, then we will see that things will, in a second here, execute one after the other, and probably also update our numbers. For example, this 2 is the number of counted eyes in our program. So if we close one eye by hand, it will switch here to number 1 and switch to bad. Here on the left we have the command selection. This shows the available commands for the system. So the commands are grouped here in several groups for example, grabbing images, locate things in the image, evaluation, or program control. So if you are looking for the available commands, you can find them here. If you click somewhere in the inspection program and you click then on, for example, grab image, it will insert the command you have selected at the position of your cursor. And first it shows up a dialog. Here you can, for example, select which camera you want to use to grab the image, or if you want to use a full screen, that's default mode, or an image section that grabs only an area. So if you hit OK, then it will insert it on the position you have selected in your inspection program. As usual in Windows programs, you can use something like Ctrl+X, Ctrl+C to move that command around, or you can also hit the delete button to remove it again from your program. So once you've made the whole program and tested it in the step mode, you can transfer it to your system by pushing this transfer button. There you have 2 options. One is to upload it in RAM, so in the temporary memory. So it can, or it is lost if you reboot your device. This is very useful if you want to test some changes in the program first. And then we have the option as file. With this option, you can transfer the program into the system and store it there on the internal storage. So it will be set automatically as a start program. So after reboot of your system, this program is executed automatically. I transfer it here now temporarily and hit the OK button. Now I got the question if I want to exit the communication and run the program. I say yes. So it's automatically disconnected. You can see here on the buttons. And we can see on our monitor when I insert my hand that it is really working. In the next video, we will explain a small inspection program with a good-bad decision and how it's made with a pixel count command. So have fun watching it and see you later. Bye.